We are pleased to show you the 2019 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, tire pressure monitor, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, privacy glass, fog lamps, front disc rear drum brakes, rear wheel drive. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.